What if you could get an instant quote on custom designed cabinets, accurate to the millimetre, and have them show up, cut, edged, labelled and ready to install in as little as 1 to 2 weeks, without having to buy a panel saw, CNC machine or any design software? Well, that's exactly what goCabinets delivers to thousands of builders, cabinet makers and renovators every week. Instant quotes on trade-grade Australian-made cabinetry with zero headaches. Across the country, thousands of builders and cabinet makers rely on goCabinets to streamline their quoting and production. For tradies like Mitch and Angelo, that meant earning hundreds and thousands of dollars in extra revenue without buying a single machine or having a factory of their own.
Since I switched to goCabinets, I've definitely found my business has run a lot smoother. I think the big thing for me, which I probably take for granted now, is just the instant pricing and being able to be like, oh, I can drop this filler off, add this in, and it's going to save me X amount.
Once I dissected the cabinets, I would have to differentiate left-hand panel, right-hand panel, top rail, bottom rail, back panels. And then I've just cut all that manually. And so to come to a part where it's like, all right, cool, sweet. Now we can just pop numbers in and they just give us a number for what it costs. That just changed everything for us.
Signing up to goCabinets allows you to instantly access a 3D tool that lets you design your next kitchen or bathroom project and see live millimetre-perfect pricing as you make changes. While designing your cabinets, you'll be connected with a trusted local manufacturer in your area who will be able to produce your custom cabinets, cut, edged, labelled, pre-drilled and ready to be installed in as little as 1 to 2 weeks.
With goCabinets, I could go and see a client, see what they want, and have a quote back to them within 24 hours.
I used to just go to joiners, and then with new kitchens, I was probably using Caboodle and IKEA. The capability that goCabinets had was just straightforward enough that you could go online at home. You didn't have to sort of go into someone's shop and get told they're too busy.
I essentially can dial right into the same detail that I expect, millimetre increments on door gaps and things like that. And I have the control as if it was my CNC.
Start up a cabinet shop, you're going to need $200,000 just to get the right machinery up and running. And then you got to channel the amount of work that keeps coming in to facilitate those costs.
Using goCabinets to get an instant quote means no more losing money on misquoted jobs as well. And your clients aren't waiting days for you to come back to them with an answer on what it's going to cost. Here's how easy it is to do your own cabinets. First, create an account to connect with a local cabinet manufacturer. There's no fees, nothing you need to download. Then, use our easy 3D design tools to select sizes, cabinet types, and customize every detail. Choose from trusted materials like Laminex, Polytech, Formica and Colorpine, and premium hardware brands like Blum, Hafele, Hahn, DTC, Hettich and more. Every change you make to a cabinet adjusts your quote in real time. What it says on the screen is how much you pay, correct to the cent with no extra costs. No complex spreadsheets or waiting days to get an answer on pricing either. And lastly, you can track every stage of production from cutting to edging to delivery and choose flat pack or pre-assembled, pick up or delivery with your cabinets ready to install in as little as 1 to 2 weeks. So if you've got a drill and a measuring tape, you're ready to use goCabinets. If you're a builder or cabinet maker and think an extra $200,000 to $400,000 from doing cabinetry installs like Mitch and Angelo sounds good, or you want to save up to 60% on what it would cost you to get your own cabinets done, just head to gocabinets.com.au, click Become a Member to create your free account, and in a few seconds, you'll be putting through your first job. No fees, no downloads, no delays. Just instant quotes and custom-sized cabinets built with quality Australian materials. Click the link below to get started now.